To let your creativity shine, here's the house before it was painted. Okay guys, new project. We are going to paint this. So we're going to do black. And then I'm going to put a little bit of silver in there too. Just gloss regular masking tape for this because it's the thinnest one I could find. How it looks. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Here's the front. Okay, I'm gonna lay it down this way so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Basically, that's all I'm doing is just touching it up. It's looking, so let's take a picture. This trim is going to be a different color, so is the roof, but yeah, that's how it's looking right now, like that, so you guys can see. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take that Okay, we're putting a second coat on. Okay. Completely inside. If I'm gonna put it, I might have to put another coat because you can kind of see it. So we'll let that one dry and see if I should paint it. It's like a ribbon, but it's got the glitter and it's black and silver. Okay, there we go. That kind of looks kind of cool. So I'll let that dry. So you see, I'll let that dry. And then you have it up here, like this. Okay, you guys, I've taken the tape off. So this is the color it was before. So this is where this ribbon, this is what I'm thinking with the ribbon. goes in. So basically what I'm doing is putting glue so that this one curled. So basically what I do is I try and get it over. And then I take my scissors, carefully place it. And then I got my two brushes, one, right? And there's the first wall. Okay, so I'm putting the black on the bottom. I put the black on the wall, and then the white on the floor. Do you see it? You see inside? There it is. There's some spots where I gotta touch up, like I want to put some glue in here and just tuck this in, and then add a piece here. But yeah, aside from that, this part is done so far, just about. Just a few touch-ups, and then I gotta figure out how to get my fairy lights to go in here. Then I gotta start decorating, coming up with, well, I want to be able to use this particular thing for different seasons. So, you know, like Halloween's coming up, and then we got Christmas, you know, and stuff like that. So, but yeah, I got a whole bunch of this left that I can use to touch up in areas where it's the wood showing. So that's what I'm probably going to be working on next off camera. But I just wanted to so you guys see what it looks like. I think it's going to